Hello everyone. Today we will start learning number systems and codes. So there are mainly three types of number representation. The first is sign magnitude representation, second is ones complement representation, and the third one is twos complement representation. So we will start learning these three representations of binary numbers. So first, starting with the sign magnitude representation, in sign magnitude representation, an additional bit is used as a sign bit and is placed at the most significant bit. So, in sign magnitude representation, 0 is used to represent positive number and 1 is used to represent a negative number. So, in the sequence of binary number, say a signed number is 0 1 0 0 0 1 0 0. So this is the MSB, most significant bit, and this is the least significant bit. So the most significant bit will tell us the sign. So 0 represents the positive number. This implies that this is positive. So this bit is sign bit. And now what is the value of this? The rest will value determine the exact value in decimal. So 1000100 in binary is equivalent to 68 in decimal. So this number represents plus 68 in binary. So if in place of 0 it was 1, then it will represent minus 68 in binary. So this is the simple sign magnitude representation. Now in ones complement representation, each 1 is replaced by 0 and each 0 is replaced by 1. So ones complement of say 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1 is replace every 0 by 1 and every 1 by 0. So 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0. So both the numbers are complement of each other. If one of the numbers is positive, then other will be negative. So let us represent plus 15. So plus 15 is 0, 1, 1, 1, 1 in binary. So using ones complement, if we represent minus 15, then we will replace all 0 with 1 and all 1 with 0. So minus 15 will be 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. So for any n-bit number, the maximum positive number which can be represented in ones complement representation is to the power n minus 1 minus 1. So this is the max limit, max positive number, and the maximum negative number that can be represented is minus to the power n minus 1 minus 1. So if we take 3-bit number, so 2 की power 2 minus 1, for 3 can be represented in maximum positive plus 3. So now we will see the 2's complement. In 2's complement representation, it is basically the 2's complement representation is 1's complement representation plus 1. So if 2's complement of a number is say 1101, so the ones complement of this number is replace 1 with 0 and 0 with 1. This add 1 to this. So it is 0, 0, 1, 1. So basically for calculating 2's complement, start from LSB. One easy method is start from LSB and write bit as it is till 1 doesn't come. So for let's say the number is 1010. Start from LSB, write as it is till 1 doesn't appear. So 0 as it is, 1 as it is, and then do its ones complement. Like ones complement 1 and 0. So if say the number is 110101, keep 1 as it is and then ones complement of rest number. 0 1 0 0. So this is the 2's complement. Now let us see the representation. Before that, let us represent say plus 5. Plus 5 represented by 0 1 0 1. So if we have to represent it in 2's complement, start from LSB, keep till 1, write arrays and do 1's complement. So 1 0 1. So 1 0 1 1 represent minus 5 in 2's complement. So for any n bit number, maximum positive number which can be represented in 2's complement, so max positive number is 2 की power n minus 1 minus 1 and max negative number is minus 2 to the power n minus 1. So let us look into a table in which every representation is given. So here we have represented numbers 0 to 8. In sign magnitude representation, the first bit tell us this is the sign bit. So for positive numbers it is all zeros and for all negative numbers it is 1. So you can see in sign magnitude and 1's complement there are two representations for 0 and minus 0. So 0 will be represented as all zeros and 1 triple zeros. So in 2's complement there is no such. 0 is represented by only all zeros. So this is the common representations. Hope you like the video. Thank you.